Man, what is popping with you guys on the YouTube? Mr. Buck, back at it again, you know what I'm saying? How everybody doing? Everybody good? Everybody straight? Today, I'm talking about a gold trade that I did take, and it actually flipped my little small live account that I have, so stay tuned. I don't want to waste none of you guys' time. We right on the charts here. We got gold pulled up, right? Our time frame, right? And I love gold. Gold is moving a lot of pips. You know, you can make a lot of money off gold if you know what you're doing, right? So now I'm not making a lot of money off gold. Don't misinterpret that. I'm just saying you can do it, right? Anyway, gold has been in an uptrend, right? Really since, if we pull back, the end of March, right? Gold has been trending up. So I really want to be looking for buys in this instant, right? Because we're in an overall bull trend for gold, right? So I want to look for buys. This is the hour time frame, right? So this is where the market was at when I was kind of analyzing it when I got off of work, right? This is exactly how it kind of looked. So when I started looking at the chart, I was looking for, a point of entry for a buy, right? So I'm looking here and I see this is a significant area for me, right? Because this looks kind of like an order block right here, right? If you guys don't know what an order block is, I could make a video on it, or there's a lot of videos on order blocks you can learn. This is an order block. Basically, price is drawn to order block. If it's a real order block, price is drawn there, right? It's like a kind of like a magnet. This is the order block. So price kind of tested it here, but it really didn't, barely touch the order block, right? So I'm looking at this. So I'm waiting for price to get to this area and pretty much is seeing what is it gonna do. Like, I'm not waiting for price to get to this area and then automatically buy, right? No, you don't want to shoot a shot like that. You want, when price gets to a certain area of yours that looking like an entry point for you, you want to wait a little bit, get some confirmation. Once you see, oh, okay, this thing might be going in my direction, you shoot the shot, right? So here's the 5-minute time frame, and here's what price did. I had to speed it up. Here's what price did, right? So another thing that I wanted to show you guys, this right here is a daily low, and I'm seeing liquidity under here. So I want to put some money under here. We know people set their stop losses here. They maybe even set them here. This looks like some liquidity here. Let me turn on my sessions, right? So this area is giving me even more of a reason for it to be an entry, right? Order block here, and there's liquidity sitting down here, right? So I knew price was eventually going to get to this point. I set an alarm like right here above it, so when it got here, I was alerted with a notification. When it got here, I see that price started immediately rejecting. It immediately rejected a little bit and it came back. So I basically got in when it created at 174, whatever that is, like right here. So when I seen it created some support here, and then it rose up, came back down, then started rising again, that's when I shot the shot and got in, put my stop here at like 1871, about a 20 pip stop loss, and basically rode it up. So the crazy thing about this trade is that when I entered the trade, I accidentally put in the wrong TP. I put in 1881. I don't know why. Being honest with you guys, my original TP was supposed to be 1887, right? Just above all these highs, because I figured market would come grab all this liquidity up here, right? So this was my original trade right here that I thought I put in. So I did take this trade, then I just went to sleep because I'm getting ready for the London session. So I took this trade at about 8:45, 9 o'clock, right? And I went to sleep. So market came and boom. Soon, by the time I got up, I already took profit. You know what I'm saying? My TP was already hit. So I was like, shit, I'm not complaining. When I seen them, like, dang, whatever. I wasn't complaining. I could have caught 135 pips. That's fine. I caught more like 70 something. If you guys could see though, look what market does, right? It shoots up. So I get in here. It shoots up right into profit. Then it starts sitting here and then boom. Make you think that it's gonna go back down, but guess what? It gives you another. I literally hit my entry just for a split second, then went up. It gave you a second chance to get into the market. You know what I mean? So sometimes the market is good to you and they, it try to give you a few opportunities to get in. But sometimes the market will wreck you, So we had an order block here. There's liquidity sitting down here at the daily low. I took this trade on a small live account with like $165 or something like that. With a 20 pip stop loss. I put in my position for $2 a pip. So if this would have hit my stop loss, it would have been a $40 loss on a $165 account. That's over leveraging 101. This is just a small live account. I don't want to say I'm playing with it. I'm taking real trades in it, but I'm kind of over leveraging a little bit. Something I don't recommend that you do. I'm just getting back into trading, getting the feel of it again, and just having some fun with it. You know what I'm saying? Even if I do lose, I'm using this all as experience. You know what I mean? So I made like $150 on it. Turned my $165 account to $320. So dang near doubled it. You know what I'm saying? Dang near doubled the account off one trade, which is good, but at the same time, it is over leveraging. You know what I'm saying? Kind of wanted to just show you this trade, show you guys why I got in it. Was pretty happy about it. Trading going pretty good, you guys. I'm not consistently profitable. I'm just slowly working my way back. I'm just taking it one day at a time, you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you learned something from it. That's really all I have for you guys today. And the way it looks, I'm afraid it's over.